Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. Today we are going to solve a very important question from module 2, regular expression and finite automata. So our first question is obtain regular expression to accept words with two or more letters but beginning and ending with the same letter where a comma b are inputs. Here the minimum condition is two or more letters, mean the minimum string should be of two letters. So firstly we will take a and combination of A's and B's, because it is the minimum criteria we have to fulfill. A comma B, A plus B ka whole asterisk. So he starting with A and ending with A, but in between any number of any combinations of A's and B's can be there. Now same we will do with B and combination A and B will be there and ending with the same input B. So let us take an example of this regular expression. Let us suppose A, B, B, A. So in this example, this condition is fulfilled. It is starting with the same letter A and it is ending with the same letter A. And in between any combinations of A's and B's are possible. So A and here we take B. This is a OR symbol. Either this one will be picked or this one will be picked. So B, B and ending is the same A. So like B, A, B, A, B, B. This is also fulfilled by this one. And between these two regular expressions there is an OR, which means either this one will be fulfilled, either this one will be fulfilled, because our input symbols are A and B. So like this we have to do the first one. Now we will move to the second question, which is obtain regular expression to accept string of A's and B's whose fifth symbol from the right end is A. Here condition is the string which consists A from the right side at the fifth position, that this one we have to fulfill here. At the left side it can be anything, any combination of A's and B's. So for that we will write A plus B asterisk. So after that A. Now from the right side it will should be at fifth position. So we will write here 4 times A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B and A plus B. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth. From the right it is in fifth position. So and here any number of any A's and B's, suppose here A, B, B, like this. Let us take an example for better understanding. So here at the left side any number of A's and B's will be there. Let us suppose A. Now after this 4 elements should be there, like here we pick B, here we pick A, here something A or B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. At fifth position there should be A. Like this we have to do second question. Now we will move to the third question. So in the third question we have to obtain regular expression to accept strings of A's and B's containing not more than 3 A's. The condition is to a string which consisting not more than 3 A's. So how we will do this? We will simply write B star plus, here 0 number of A's are also possible, so this we will write first. Now 1 number of A's are also possible, so 1 A is there, plus 2A is also possible. Now 3 A's are also possible. But 4 A's are not, because the minimum condition is containing not more than 3 A's. 3 A's we can write in this string, but not more than 3 A's. So like this we can do this one. For example, we will take B. B is also the part of this because the minimum condition is not more than 3 A's. Then B, A, this is also fulfilled in this one. B, A, B, A. These are all the examples of this one. Now we will move to next question. So our next question is obtain NFA which accepts string of A's and B's starting with the string AB. Here the string is starting with AB element. So we will firstly write AB here. Then after AB, any combinations of A's and B's are possible here. So A plus B star. So this is the regular expression for this question. Now what we have to do? Firstly we have to make a transition states for this regular expression. So states, we have to q naught, we take first element, first state is q naught, initial state, at the input symbol A, and then it is going to q1. Firstly A is there, then B, q2, B is fulfilling here. Now at q2 this will be the final state, because any combination of A's and B's can be possible after A and B. So this is the transition diagram. Now we will draw the transition table for this transition states. So transition table. So here firstly we will write state, here the input symbols, then q0, q1, q2. So from q0 with the input symbol A, it is going to q1. So q1, at q0 B is not there, so 5. Now from q1 with the input symbol A, it is not there, so 5. And from here to here q2, and from q2 to q2 simple q2, here also q2. So this is the transition table for the NFA transition diagram. Now we will move to our next question. So in this question we have to obtain NFA for the regular expression A plus B whole star A into A plus B whole star. So what we will do? We will do first, we will find the transition diagram for the given expression. So firstly we will take the initial state q0. In q0 the input symbol A going to q1, and with the input symbol B is going back to the q0, and at q0 with the input symbol B it's a self loop, and from the q1 with the input symbol A it is going to q2, and at q2 A comma B. So how we will do this? Firstly we will see here A plus B, it means any combination of A's and B's will be here. So with the A it is going to q1, and with the input symbol B it is going back to q0. So after A and B there should be A. So if B again comes, so B will be here only, and if A comes, so A here, and after A it should be A. That's why we take B. So from q1 to q0, and here it's a self loop for B. So A, and here any combination of A's and B's should be there. So we take this as final state and a self loop for q2. So now we will make the transition table for this transition diagram. Transition table, states, input symbols A and B, and q0, q1 and q2, and q0 with the input symbol A it is going to q1, and at q0 with the input symbol B it's a self loop q0, q1 with the input symbol A q2, and q1 with the input symbol B it is going to q0, and q2 it's a self loop q2. So let us take an example for the better understanding of this transition states. So for example, A B A B A. So here if A comes here, so q0 to q1, and after that B, so B q1 to q0, so AB, then A and A, the minimum condition is here in between, the string there should be two A's. That's the main logic of this question we have to solve. Then A and A, after that any combination of A's and B's are possible, so that's why a self proof A comma B, so B A, like that we have to do. Here also A and A are also possible, since here at Q0 A is here, Q0 to Q1, and from Q1 to Q2 A, so final state is Q2, so A and A is also accepted, and B A A, this is also accepted. The main logic is to have two A's in this string. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.